Now we are checking the FPI and adjusting the FPI data. Today we are testing the fin press machine line and the fin die. The aluminum fin size is 5mm with 24 rows, 2 progress. The pitch is 19.5. Lowest distance is 11.6. This is the test samples. Let me show you. $5mm on the fin surface. And back side. This is the oil box. The oil is using our own fin pressing oil, stamping oil, or we can call it evaporator oil, to make the aluminum foil surface lubricated before feeding in the fin die.